In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people in Todoist. Inviting other people to your Todoist workspace is a great way to collaborate on tasks, share projects, and keep everyone on the same page. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps inside the Todoist web app, and I'll also share a few tips along the way to help you avoid common mistakes. Start by opening Todoist in your browser and making sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're on your main Today view, look towards the upper left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. It might be a small circle with your initials or a picture you've uploaded. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Settings. This will open a new panel or page where you can adjust different aspects of your account and workspace. Give it a second to load if your internet is a bit slow. Inside the settings area, look for a section called People. This is where you manage who has access to your workspace. Click on People, and you'll see a list of everyone who is currently part of that workspace, along with options to invite new members. To add someone new, find and click on the button that says Invite by Email. This will open a simple form where you can type in the email addresses of the people you'd like to invite. Make sure you enter the correct email addresses and separate multiple addresses according to the format Todoist suggests, usually by commas or line breaks. It's a good idea to double check spelling here, because if an address is incorrect, that person won't receive the invitation. Once you've added the email addresses, review them one more time. Some workspaces may let you adjust roles or permissions when inviting, such as member or admin, so set those as needed if the option appears for you. When you're ready, click on the button labeled Send Invites. Todoist will then email each person an invitation to join your workspace. They may need to create a Todoist account if they don't already have one, so you might want to let them know to check their inbox and spam folder. And that's it. You've successfully invited people to your Todoist workspace, making it easier to collaborate and stay organized together.